So we have gooseberries, also known as goldenberries. We got this pack of them from Sprouts. And it's something that I added to my garden collection recently, but haven't had an opportunity to actually try them because they haven't started producing yet. But I am very excited to try them for the first time. This is what they look like, and they kind of have like a little leaf wrapper. If I can get the darn thing off.
You're doing great, sweetie.
So there's a gooseberry. They're sticky. Weird.
I think that might just be you.
Maybe I'm sticky? So, gooseberries, a little bit of history about them. Gooseberries and currants, which are distant relatives, they were actually banned in certain parts of the United States for a long time because they were kind of a carrier species, or I believe it was a bacteria that a certain type of pine was susceptible to. Because in the early 1900s, may have been 1800s, one of those centuries, we were doing a lot of deforesting in the United States for lumber, and then at some point we were reforesting. We wanted to bring back the forests. And so what we did was import pines from Europe. And it turns out that these pines were susceptible to a bacteria that these guys harbored, and it started wiping out all of these pines. And so these were banned and not allowed to be cultivated for a long time until very recently. So we're going to try these and see what we think of them. So that was good.
Like a fleshy or tartar grape.
Yeah, they got a grape-like texture. It's a little bit more delicate.
It doesn't have like the same snap that grapes do.
Mm-hmm.
It's cuter.
It's like a semi-tart. I'm trying to think
like
of ways to describe it.
It's like cranberry, but not cranberry.
Yeah. It's like if cranberry and blueberry and some other berry
Had a party.
had a party. This mixer. But it's definitely a unique taste that I don't think I've had these before.
I know, I
So
definitely have it. But hey, now we're growing it.
Yeah, so I might as well know what it tastes like. They are sticky, which is interesting. It's different. It's definitely different. There's sort of like a milkiness to it. It's tart, kind of has a milkiness. But it's like a grape, so it's a unique experience.
Make up your mind, dude.
Well, it's all of these things. It's a unique experience unto its own. It's not very similar to other berries I've had. Yeah, it's like they have a grapey, juicy pop in the beginning, and then after that I get like the milkiness. Yeah, gooseberries, they're a unique They're definitely different. So if you can get these in your area, I would recommend trying them because they're really different from anything I've had before, but they're delicious.